Hello, I'm Mithali Singh and I'm currently working as a legal intern at Lexis & Company. Today, in this video, I will be giving you a brief analysis of acid attack on women in India. So, we will discuss the basic introduction, then we'll jump on to what is acid attack, what is the definition of acid attack, and what are the consequences of it. Let's start. Violence against women is a manifestation of historically unequal power relations between men and women, which have led to domination over and discrimination against women by men and to the prevention of the full advancement of women. Gender-based violence is endemic worldwide, cutting across age, marital status, religion, race, caste, and thus possesses human rights violations and huge health problems. So we will discuss what is the acid attack, what is the definition of acid attack. So acid attack basically happens mostly happens on women. So definition of acid attack is given in the provisions of Prevention of Offences by Acid Act 2008 National Commission for Women draft bill constitute the definition of acid attacks and acid. According to section 3 of the said act, acid shall mean and includes any substances which has the character of acidic or corrosive or burning nature that is capable of causing bodily injuries leading to scars or disfigurement or temporary or permanent disability. This is the meaning of acid. And what is the meaning of acid attack? Acid attack means any act of throwing acid or using acid in any form on the victim with the intent of or with the knowledge that such person is likely to cause to the other person permanent or partial damage or deformity of disfiguration to any part of the body of such person. The Indian Penal Code 1860, by virtue of Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, under the explanation 1 to section 326B, has defined acid to include any substance which has the acidic or corrosive character of burning nature capable of causing bodily injury leading to scars or disfigurement or temporary or permanent disability. This definition is also mentioned under explanation 1 of section 326B of IPC. Now we will discuss what are the consequences of acid attacks. First is physical consequence. Acid burns through skin and flesh layer by layer, causing great pain and injury. It eats through the 2 layers of the skin into the fat and muscle underneath and sometimes down to the bone. It may dissolve the bone. The profoundness of injury depends on the burn of the acid and the duration of the contact with the skin. The burning goes on until the acid is washed off with the water. So it ultimately causes physical harm, physical bodily injury to the person to whom acid has been thrown. Second consequence is psychological consequences. A psychological trauma is suffered by the victim when she perceives that her skin is burnt off, and after the attack, the defacement and the disabilities with which they have to bear for the rest of their life. So it ultimately creates psychological trauma upon women. Some of the psychological problems which the victim suffers are insomnia, nightmares, depressions, fear of facing the world, and etc. Now the last one is the social and economical consequences. The victims who are not married are likely not to get married as they suffer from many disabilities like blindness, deafness, and many other difficulties, and the society's mindset is not that wide enough to accept a disabled person as their wife. They even do not get a job, notwithstanding being qualified, as they cannot meet up the expectations of their employers, as not having personality instead of helping them, we make their life more annoying. So they face social and economical consequences a lot. They are they're looked with a different view, and due to their burning face and due to the scars on their faces. So it ultimately creates very difficulty to the person who has suffered the acid attack. Now we will we will look into the legal perspective of acid attack in India. In India, Often incidences of acid attack capture the headlines of the Indian media. Fortunately, in India, there was no separate legislation to deal with the acid attacks before the passing of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013. The offences was registered under Section 320, 322, 325, 326 and 307 of the Indian Penal Code. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, do subscribe to the channel for daily updates. Thank you.